The next crypto exchange on our list is Uphold. With over 300 different cryptocurrencies supported across over 140 different countries, this is one of the most broadly available platforms for digital assets today. In addition, Uphold also lets you trade 4 popular precious metals, which is another differentiating factor. There's a lot of similarities between gold and cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, and the price of both of these has been on a tear lately. Another unique aspect about Uphold is their cross-asset trading functionality, which they call their anything-to-anything trading. This means that users can swap from any one supported asset on the platform into another, so this could be Bitcoin into gold or vice versa. In addition, Uphold has self-proclaimed radical transparency with their customers. On the Uphold website, they have a section that lists their assets and liabilities in real time, and it's updated every 30 seconds. In addition, they've also made it clear that they are 100% reserved and will never loan out customer funds. And one final unique service here that Uphold offers is actually global money transfers. You can send money instantly across borders in various currencies or cryptocurrencies. In addition, all transfers between Uphold users are free.